Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today I'm going to be working on the Supra, and sorry if you can hear it, but it is raining pretty bad out right now. But I've got a pretty cool upgrade that I'm going to be doing. It's mostly cosmetic, but it's going to be pretty sick. So let me go ahead and show you. So inside of this box, it's something special. All right, here we go. It is a full pillar gauge pod. I'm super excited about this. I have not been liking the one that's in my Supra, which I will show you the fitment issues that I have on it. I believe the website was gaugepods.com. I don't know. I'll link it below. And yeah, I selected it, and then within a week, they got the order fulfilled, and then I got it on my doorstep yesterday. So I was actually really surprised. So hopefully it fits pretty well. We're gonna find out. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into this. Alrighty guys, so hopefully the audio is a bit better in here. I won't know what it sounds like until I review this footage. Yeah, so I got that A-pillar gauge pod, A-pillar gauge pod from gaugepods.com. And if I would have seen this beforehand, I would have picked it up. Because I think it's... Oh, you hear that? Anyway, so I think it was like 50 bucks or something like that, or 60. I don't know. I forget how much it was. You'll see it whenever you click on the link. But the one that I previously got and I showed off to you guys, I originally thought it was cool, and I was gonna, just mount it up there with some sticky tape. And well, look at this. This is what I've been dealing with. It's kind of crappy, to be honest. It's not great. I have a zip tie holding it on because I do not want to drill through my factory A-pillar and then, just ruin it. So I'm upgrading. Plus, look at all that stuff at the bottom. I don't want that showing. That's not clean. It's not professional. So, yeah, I'm going to tear this out. It's literally just 2 screws behind the grab handle. And then once that's out, the whole pillar just pops right out. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off, remove my gauge right now. And then, yeah, let's install it and see how clean it looks. Alrighty, that took a little bit longer than I wanted it to. The screws just wouldn't line up in the holes where they needed to go. But, dude, it looks so much better. Now, I think I'm going to have to trim this piece up here a little bit, because, see, I can stick my finger in there. But overall, looks pretty good. Let's turn on the key. Make sure everything works. Yep. It looks great. So much better than that little gauge pod down there. Yeah, that looks way more professional. Looks good. I should have gotten the dark gray. I got the medium gray, but whatever. That's fine. I just wanted to update you guys on this gauge pod pillar. I did just recently paint this, so let's see how well it matches my interior now. This actually matches pretty well. If you look at the dashboard compared to that, the pillar is a little bit more on the bluish hue, but it matches so much better than that medium gray that I ordered this pillar in. Yeah, looks pretty good. I will leave a link in the description below, so that way if you guys are looking to get this, you can go ahead and pick it up. I don't have a discount code. I never reached out to them, so it's just gonna be full price. But yeah, their shipping was really fast. Anyways, I'll catch you on the next ride.